Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So this is Adle Trader. If you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video with your friends. Today the market is OTC market. I already placed a trade, but unfortunately I didn't record it. But now I want to record the rest of my trades. I want to trade 2 or 4 trades today. So let me search for opportunity. Okay, that's fine. There is opportunity here. If this candle close as a green candle, I would place for higher option. But if it's close as a red candle, I want to stop that trading, bro. Please share the video with your friends. This video is for you guys. So I think you get a lot of knowledge from this, I'm sure. Okay, very good entry. I want to get good entry from this place. Okay.
Into the darkness, but I'll never back down. Turning the tide around, fade into the light. I never knew in the end how amazing it feels just to live again. Call back some old friends, they never liked you. You never liked them, but I'm sure I do. It's time to make life worthwhile, so by time I can learn how to love again. You think that you know me, you say you love me. Baby, we are all oceans apart. You act like you owe me, be ready to be lonely. This time I will only break your heart. Cause when you're drunk and alone, then I won't carry you home. You think that you know me, you say you love me. Baby, we are all oceans apart. Left unspoken. I guess we grew way too far from each other to ever go back again. Way into the path we're on. I think there's someone for us down the road. In this life you can choose to get hurt by mistakes or get up again. You think that you know me, you say you love me. Baby, we are all oceans apart. You act like you owe me, be ready to be lonely.